Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Logitech MX Master 3 Amazon Renewed. Alright, so what I have in front of me is the Logitech MX Master 3. This is the third generation of the MX Master series. I did have the previous two. I still have the 2S, and that mouse I've had for the past 4 years. So these mice are very reliable. Now these are a little bit expensive, so the MX Master 3 comes in at a price of $99.99, basically $100, brand new. However, Amazon had them renewed for $78.49 at the time I purchased it. Now, Amazon renewed prices do fluctuate depending on the day, so it could be a little bit more, could be a little bit less, just depends on when you buy it. The MX Master 3 comes in two different colors. It comes in black and graphite. I'm pretty sure I got black, but I may have graphite. We're gonna find out together. Anyway, some of the features of this mouse: it is very ergonomic. So I do work from home 8 hours plus a day. So this has been a very good mouse, and it does not cause me any hand strain or anything like that. It has super fast scrolling. So it says on there that it can scroll 1,000 lines a second, which is pretty wild, but all of them have had really good scrolling. They have traditional scrolling and really smooth scrolling, so you can scroll really, really fast. So if you're going through documents all day, or you're doing coding, something like that, this is definitely the mouse for you. Some other things, it does offer you can use multiple computers on this basically. So you can actually use the dongle with it, or you can use Bluetooth, and you can have it set up for 3 different computers. Now, according to Amazon's listing for this, you can also use this across operating systems. So I'm assuming you would need software to do that, but it's pretty cool. You could share files or go between different operating systems between the screens. Not sure of how laggy that is or how well that works, but not here to try to find that out, but that's one of the features of this mouse. In addition to that, it does have really smooth movement, has 4,000 DPI, so it's very smooth. So if you're a gamer, that kind of thing, this is also good. Obviously, not really meant for gaming, but this is just a general, all-around amazing mouse. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get. And a real quick note about Amazon Renewed. So Amazon Renewed is basically their refurbished section. So you're going to save a little bit of money, and you're still going to get a high quality product that is cleaned and basically resold. They are guaranteed for 90 days, so you can return it past 30 days up to 90 days. As far as the warranty and everything is concerned, I'm not really sure how the manufacturer warranty would work, but you still can buy a protection plan. They do offer it, so when you buy one of these products, you still get an offer to buy the protection plan, so you can still be covered even if you buy one of these things. Now, the way that they refurbish this and how good they refurbish it really does depend on the seller, so just make sure to check those seller ratings. And yeah, that's just a little bit about the Amazon Renewed program. All right, so in the box here, we have MX Logitech refurbished sticker right there. And that's really it. I believe it usually comes with a sleeve. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get inside. So on the inside, we get our MX Master 3. So I did get the black one. We do have the Logitech dongle as well here. And do we get any documentation? Okay, it looks like we get MX Master setup, so you can go to the website to set it up, and then we get our charging cable. And this looks like this is the exact cable, so it does have the Logitech branding on it. It's USB-C this time to USB-A. So that's what we get inside the box. We get the mouse, we get the actual dongle, we get the cable, and the cover for the cable. So let's check out the condition of it. All right, so it came sealed in this bag, and it looks brand new from what I can see. So let's see if we can open this up. All right, so as you can see, it looks completely brand new. Like it looks like no one's actually used this at all. The scroll wheel's completely clean. There's no dust or debris in the buttons. The side looks clean. That dust is probably from me just now, but this looks completely brand new. Yeah, little smudges right there, probably from me. On the bottom, it does look a little used here from the pads. So the pads do look a little bit used. And interestingly enough, they actually mark out the serial number on the bottom. So I guess you couldn't use the warranty on this if you wanted to. But you can see on the bottom, we do have the 1, 2, 3 for changing between computers. And let's see if it actually has battery in it. It does. There we go. Okay, cool. But yeah, that's pretty impressive. I'm pretty surprised it looks this good. Now, just to give you a quick comparison between the two, this is the Logitech MX Master 2S, and this is the 3. So you can see the shape has definitely changed, and the 3 looks a little bit smaller overall, so probably a little bit better. But the 2S, as I mentioned, I have had for the past 4 years, and it is well loved. You can see the differences in the way that the clicking buttons look and the basically shape overall. It looks like it has a metal wheel instead of a wheel with the rubberized texture on it. Same thing on the side. And yeah, the overall shape, it just looks completely different. So it looks like the 3 might be a little bit more ergonomic because it's a little bit more raised over the 2S. You can see the difference in the front here as well. It's a lot more raised on the for the left side versus the 2S, and you can see the difference. The charging port is different, so it is a micro USB on the 2S, and it is a USB-C on the new 3. On the bottom, looks pretty similar. Has the same long strip, has the same buttons, very similar there. And then here is the side here, so. And that looks pretty similar as well. It's just the profile overall is completely different. All right, so I've now owned the MX Master 3 for about 4 months now. And this video is a little bit late, but it is good because I get to give you kind of an update on it. So in that time, it has been flawless. No issues whatsoever. You can see that it has had a little bit of wear from me using it on a daily basis. Battery on this lasts about a month and a half or more. Based on my usage. So I no longer work from home full time, so it lasts even longer. I don't really use all the features of the mouse, so honestly, I didn't really need to upgrade from the MX Master 2S. And that's another thing you may want to consider is if you already have one of the older mice, unless it's in terrible condition or it's giving you issues, I don't really see the need to upgrade to this mouse over one of the older ones. Now, of course, this has those different features, but a lot of stuff that I don't really use. I do like the fact that it charges with USB-C. That's definitely a plus for me. The design of it looks really nice, and of course, I like new things. Don't we all? But the Amazon Renewed, I would definitely give it a thumbs up. So if you are interested in this, I'll leave a link down below where you can check it out. If you have any questions or comments on it, feel free to let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video.